Hi guys, I'm Maria from Brianna's Braids and I have Brianna with me today and we're going to show you an easy braided ponytail style. So let me turn you around. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and let's get started. I already have a hair in a high ponytail. Now I'm taking a small section of the ponytail from the left side and making a simple French braid. Now cross your right strand over the middle and add a bit of hair from the ponytail to it. Left strand over the middle. Right strand, add a little bit of hair from the ponytail to it and cross it over the middle. Left strand over the middle. Right strand, add a little bit of hair from the ponytail, add it to that strand and cross it over the middle. Left strand over the middle. Again, right strand, add some hair to that strand and cross it over the middle. Left strand over the middle. So we are making French lace braid. Continue adding hair until you reach the opposite side of the ponytail.
I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again.
Once you reach the other side of the ponytail, don't add any more hair to your braid. Continue with the simple French braid. I'm making about 6 to 7 stitches. Lift up your ponytail and put your braid behind it, and again on the left side, starting with the carousel braid again. Put your right strand over the middle and add a little bit of hair from the ponytail to it. Left strand over the middle. Right strand over the middle and add some hair from the ponytail to it. Left strand over the middle. Right strand over the middle and add a little bit of hair from the ponytail to it. Left strand over the middle, and again continue adding hair until you've reached the other side of the ponytail.
We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids.
Once you reach the other side of the ponytail, stop adding hair and make a few extra stitches. Thread your braid behind the ponytail and back to the left side, and starting with the carousel braid again, right strand over the middle, add a bit of hair from the ponytail to it, and left strand over the middle. So continuing the same process until we've reached the other side of the ponytail.
And that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got a style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe, 'cause I want you.
And same as before, once your braid reach the other side of the ponytail, make 6 or 7 stitches without adding any hair. Lift up the ponytail and put the braid behind it so it comes out on the left side again. And now I'm continuing with the carousel braid by adding hair to one side of the braid once again. And you will see short hair sticking out of the braid at this point, so I think we will make one more round and finish this braid off.
We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't
Now I'm beginning to see a lot of ends starting to stick out from the braid, so this will be my last round that I'm making. So continue braiding, and once you wrap this braid around the ponytail, I will secure it with an elastic. Alright, let's do a final spin. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give us thumbs up and subscribe. Click that notification bell to let you know when our new tutorial is being uploaded. And as usual, all the products that I used in this video, I will link in the description box down below. And we'll see you next Thursday for another tutorial. Bye!